I hope the fuck this works this time. I just went to record there and I got an SD card error. I don't fucking know how and I don't know why, but I'm getting them lately. It's not a cheap card. I think this SD card cost me like €100. It's a Toshiba 128 gig. Like, it's 4 fucking 4K cameras, not action cameras, but like actual 4K. Oh my balls! I don't know what the fuck's happening. I just wanted to bring the bike out for a tiny little rip, give you guys an update, get a few wheelies in, and just get out on the bike. I've been out on it in about a week and a bit. Just the weather's been too bad. Straight off the bat, I am sorry for posting so many track videos. They kind of seem to be the only thing I've been posting. I had so many good sessions recorded that I just wanted to get out, and then a few times a few different people wanted to see them that were there on the track day, so I put them up. So yeah, that's why I have them. That's the only reason why I have them up. So here's the normal motovlog. Let's see, we're still recording. I think my camera was just being stupid. Yeah, so I've been in Mondello a few times now and I love it. That's the end of the track days. I had to format my SD card, so no more track day footage. It's all gone. Some of you will be thankful, some of you might miss it, but hopefully I can get out again. Ah, look, this fucking shit's so flooded. Oh man. Ooh, got my shoes all wet. That didn't work. That's too high revs. I don't want to get my fucking shoes soaking. I mean, there's normal shoes, normal jeans. But yeah, so hopefully I can get out on track again at the end of the year. So no more track footage. So a few updates, guys. It's been a hot minute. It really has. But I've enjoyed my little break. I've just been really busy at work, doing new stuff. So I'm happy, keeping myself nice and busy. But yeah, guys, so first things first, I have new bars coming for the beast. I actually have clip-ons, so I should be more like here. I don't know. I'll put up the brand because I completely forget. Woodcraft. I don't know why I can't think of the name, but they are like a really good brand. So I got them just to try them out. I do like the upright bars, but I'm kind of missing the sport bike bar, so I'll get them back for a little bit. I was gonna wheelie, but sometimes there was cops in there. But yeah, guys, so I have them coming. I'm not gonna put them on myself because I need to get new grips and new bar ends, or they need to go, but I need to get new grips and all that shite, so I'm not going to bother. My bike needs a service. I need to get the oil changed, and I think I need to get the throttle bodies done on it. I'm at 21,000 Ks. I've done 3 track days in a row, so I'm just starting to hear a little bit of a tappy. So I think it's due from the service manual. It's due one. Oh, the smoke. Oh, the smoke. It smells good. So I'm just going to get that done. My tyres are also a bit on the fucky side, just from the track. They're just... I have Metzler's Z01s. Fucking amazing tyre. If anyone's looking for like a good, everyday, fast riding commute in wet, in snow, in the sun, these are the fucking best tyres. Not just because... And now, this is the thing, there are tyres out there that outperform these, but where these are better is the price. I think a set of these, I'm tapping my fuel filler, what? Gas cap, fuel filler, fuck me. I think a set cost me like €320 fit, supplied and fitted, so that's fucking so cheap. It's so warm actually. What temperature is it? 21 degrees, I believe that. Yeah, they're fucking amazing tires. Now I have thousands of kilometers left on them, like fucking thousands, so they'll be fine for years and years, months and months. Also, even though I'm getting mods done to this bike, I haven't. Stop tapping the fucking gas cap, Jesus Christ. I'm gonna go right. Probably gonna be really shit, but sure, look. Oh fuck you. Oh yeah, these are nice and moist. I knew it. I fucking knew it. But yeah, I actually have been toying with the idea of possibly getting a new bike, or I'm gonna spoil it. I was thinking of a MT-09. Don't know why, I've just really been wanting. Now see, my fucking bike has been doing that, like jumping into fucking neutral. Oh, why is there a slippy sign? So I'm just banging on the brakes because I only washed the bike not too long ago, and I think there's all ACF on it. There's all ACF on the brakes. Yeah, I've been thinking of getting an MT-09. I've just really wanted one. I just think they're fucking amazing bikes, but I really need to ride one first, just to see if I want to bother going for an MT-09 or just something completely different again. But this, seriously, hands down, has been my favourite bike. I know I said that about the ZX6, I've probably said about the R6 as well, but they've all been like my dream 600s. This is one of my dream bikes when I passed my test. When I first passed my test, I fucking wanted to get the back in 2014. I think I only had my full license not that long ago. I wanted to get the moto cage one, but I was still in college and had a shitty part-time job, so I couldn't afford one. Until I could afford one, I said, fuck it, I'm buying one. See how bad these roads are? I think these are fucking bad up here as well. Oh Jesus. Well, my bike ain't fucking clean no more. I'll give you guys a little wipe just in case it's all gone on my screen. Whoa. A good fucking indicator, you bell end. You didn't see that because I was blocking my camera. See how we're looking dirt wise. Yeah, it's all sprayed up at the back. Fuck you. Ow. Yeah, another wheelie going. But yeah, I've been toying with the idea of getting one, but I don't know if I will. I need to ride one to see first. My camera okay? It's okay. I'm always so paranoid now that it's on the front. What's kind of happening now as well, I think come next year I'm gonna get a track bike. I said it to my dad as just like an idea, and he went out and bought a fucking tow hitch and harness for his car. So it's kind of happening, to be honest. It's kind of happening. So we'll see what happens come early next year, if I can get a nice little track bike for myself. Because I really do have the bug, and if I get myself a track bike, it'll even fucking better. I don't have to worry about being on my road bike. I can't really see shit out of my visor now as well. So yeah, look forward to that. Obviously I'm gonna keep us all updated with it. Also, two more things, and then I'll end the video. Thanks for all the fucking subscribers. I'm up at, last time I checked was 1,020, and then I checked again, I went down to 1,019. I always gain like 2 subs, lose a sub. So for everyone that keeps it even, fuck yous. Don't want yous anyway. None of us want yous. Unless you want to come back, then we want you. But if you don't want to come back, fuck you. Don't want you. Don't fucking want you. And then speaking of subs, so the giveaway that I done, that I live streamed, again, thanks everyone for coming. I kind of enjoyed doing the live stream. It was a bit different, but fun. The winner, David, has still never contacted me, so I'm going to do it again. I don't know when, but I just know I'm going to do it again, because if he's not contacting me, well, clearly he's not looking at his emails, and clearly he's not that loyal of a subscriber if he hasn't watched the video, the giveaway video. So I'm okay with doing it again, and then hopefully someone more loyal will get it. I'm gonna go around the back and get some few more wheelies in, 1 or 2 hopefully. But yeah guys, look, that's kind of the update really. Just want to say thanks. Just wanted to get out for a little spinny spin, even though it was fucking nothing. Get a few wheelies in, get my practice. Also, actually, I wanted to say, I nearly fucking died. I nearly died in Mondello, and it's Grant's fault for not recording. He didn't hear me. I don't know how. Well, I had a helmet on, but I had the camera at the back of my bike pointing at me, and I told him to record. Well, he said you're not recording, and I said yeah, hit record, but he heard it as, you know, whatever, like don't bother or leave it or whatever the fuck it was. So I nearly died. I nearly came off the bike, nearly crashed twice. Once was completely my fault, and once was just the tire was at its fucking edge and just gave out. But yeah, I'll put up a picture of the damage to the front wheel. I took a nice little chunk out of the wheel that I'm really fucking upset about, but it's only on the side, so it's okay. But yeah, basically how it happened is I was banked over going into the dogleg in Mondello, proper banked over in the right hand bend. For whatever reason, I literally hit the apex with my front wheel. I just went over it, and just so happened I kind of leaned off the bike like this, and the bike shot up, and I was able to run it straight. I held it, never dropped the bike, got straight back on and finished the session. I don't fucking know how, and I didn't notice the bike until I was cleaning it, like a day after, or 2 days after Mondello. So I was pretty annoyed. I'm kind of okay with it now. I just want to go get it fixed, because it's only a little chunk. Doesn't actually affect the wheel itself, so there's no point replacing it, but I'll just get it fixed, make sure there's no other damage. But yeah, unfortunately I have no footage. I also broke my helmet. I broke my visor, I should say. It's cracked, and it's fucking, it was one of them weeks. But yeah guys, look, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed. Again, I'm going to do the giveaway again. David, if you're watching the video, contact me, and then you can claim your prize. But if you watch the video and I do the giveaway again, that's just unfortunate. But yeah guys, look, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment and subscribe. I'll talk to you on the next video.